Hello everyone. Hello, hello, hello. Basically, I'm starting uh, to solve all Cambridge papers of 22. That day I solved October, November 20. Now today I'm solving March 23. March 23. Uh, After that, if I complete my target, that if I complete 058022, then I go for 42, and very soon I will also solve A level and AS level question paper for Cambridge. Now those who are interested and those who are Cambridge student, then follow me, because now I will solve it. Okay. And my request, if you are new viewers, or if you like the video, then subscribe my channel. Okay, for more videos, not only Cambridge videos, not only Cambridge IGCSE AS level videos. I prepared also gate videos, engineering mathematics videos you can find in my channel. And along with this, you can find economics for engineers, and many more interesting discussions you can get in my channel. And if you are very much interested in maths, you can go with my short. You can see my shorts. They are also good. They are very much informative. You can check and give your feedback. So I'm starting. Yes, my name is Onibarjo Sarkar. I worked as a math tutor. So I'm solving the question. This question is 0580 February session 2023. The time hour is 1 hour 30 minutes. It is extended paper. It is extended paper. So I will go to solve the first question, and there are some instruction in there. Uh, you can read this instruction. If you are a chemistry student, you can read this instruction. So first question. The first question is, these are the sum of the s- sum. These are the set of some numbers, and they ask to find out the cube numbers and the prime numbers. So we all know what is cube numbers. We all know, like, 8 is 2 cube. 1 is also cubic number, because 1 is 1 cube. Like this, 27 is also 3 cube. So the cubic number, that is 27. So the first cubic number, that is 27 cube number. And prime number, we all know that prime number means the number which is divided by itself and 1. It means prime number always has two factor, the number itself and 1. So here the prime number in this series, the prime number is 29. So these are basically easy questions. It comes from the topic. It's come from the topic and the numbers topic. So cube number is 27 and prime number is 29. Okay. Now we go for the next questions. The next question, this is on vector. If you know, this is the question on vectors. Okay, this is the question on vectors. And how do we solve the question? How do we solve the question? We will solve the question by, first, two vector is given, v and y. So first is subtraction. Subtraction means general subtraction. So v minus y, I'm writing here. The value of v that is given, the vector that is given, -1, 3, -1, 3. Then minus 2, 5, 2 and 5. Okay. So subtract means first element subtract with the first element, and the second element subtract with the second element. It's simple. So I'm writing here -1, -2, then this one is 3, -5. Okay, -1 and -2. That means we can say that is -3, and 3 minus 5, that is -2. So the answer is -3 and -2. Okay. Very simple, very simple. If there is add, then add with the first element with the first element, and second element with the second element. Okay. Now the problem is vector problem. Now the problem is vectors problem. And we'll go to solve this. How do we solve this question? That is 2. I'm writing here 2, and I'm writing here the value of -1 and 3. It means, what is the meaning of it? It means 2 multiply with the each of the element. So minus 1, that is multiplied with 2, and the 3, that is also multiplied with 2. So minus 1, if minus 1 multiplied with 2, that is minus 2. And if 3 multiplied with 2, that is 6. It is the very simple sum. If this kind of sum comes to the exam in Cambridge, many times this kind of sum come to the exam, then this is the way to solve because it is very easy. Because in Cambridge there are many questions come from picture vectors. That means picture is given and they ask to find out the extended vector, all these things. These are quite little bit difficult, but this is simply addition, subtraction, multiplication, sum of vectors, so you can do it easily. And the type of the question is same. We solve this too. Now the next question is uh, there are two questions there, and I solve each of them. First I erase this. Achha. This two question. First question is very simple. On the Venn diagram, A intersection B. A intersection B means we all know. A intersection B means what? A intersection B. That means the middle portion. That means the middle portion. Okay. A intersection means common part. So these are the common part. These are basically A intersection B means common part. So basically they are the common part of here. Common part means is this intersection means common part. So basically this part, basically this is the common part. So you shaded this region. This is the part of A intersection B. Shaded it. Okay. This is a very important question, a very easy question. Shaded means always the intersection. Shaded means always draw the intersection part. Comment mean the common part. The two. Intersection means shaded. I'm shading this intersecting part because this sign is the meaning of the this sign. This sign is the meaning of the intersection. This sign, okay, is the meaning of the intersection. Intersection means common between these two sets. So this part is the common between these two sets. Okay. So this is the 1 mark question. Now next question. Next question I'm going to solve. That is the question. That is very simple question. A series question. Look, it is decreased by -6. 23 minus 6, that is 17. 17 minus 6, 11. 11 minus 6, that is 5. And 5 minus 6, 5 minus 6, obviously. So what is the value of 5 minus 6? That is -1. So the next term, what is the next term? Next term is -1. Clear? It's very simple actually. Now the next question is find the end term of the sequence. So you have to find out the end term. So how do we find out the end term? To solve end terms, we use the formula. The formula is AP formula, arithmetic formula, and the formula according to the formula Tn equal to a plus n minus d, a plus n minus 1 into d. So what is the a? What is a? A means first term. What is the first term of the series? The first term of the series is 23. So I'm writing 23 plus n minus 1 into what is the d? What is the value of d? The value of d is -6. So I'm writing -6. Okay. I'm writing -6 here. Then on the next line, 23. This is plus minus -6. N minus 1. Okay. N minus 1. Now if we remove the bracket, then it is 23 minus 6n and minus minus plus 6. So 23 plus 6, that's 29. So the answer is 29 minus 6n. 29 minus 6n. So when do we use this formula basically? When do we use this formula? When we observe that the difference between two number is equal. The difference between the two number is equal. Maybe the number difference between the two number in the form of positive or in the form of negative. Here the form is negative, -6 is there. Okay. If their number difference between the numbers, consecutive two numbers are equal, that means constant, then we use this formula a plus n minus 1 into t. This formula's name is arithmetic progression formula. Okay. So this formula we use, and our answer is 29 minus 6. And now you can check your answer is correct or wrong. If you put n equal to 1, then 29 minus 6 into 1, that is 29 minus 6, that is 23, first number. If you put n equal to 2, so 29 minus 6 into 2, 12. 29 minus 12, that is 17. If you put n equal to 3, then 29 minus 6 into 3, 18, that is 11. In this way, you can get all the numbers. So this maths is very interesting. Why this is very interesting? Because you can understand your nth term is correct or incorrect. Because you can check by putting the value n equal to 1, 2, 3, all those. Okay. So this type of sum will come also. In some problem, we will solve the two consecutive two numbers in the form of the multiplication. That time we will apply geometric progression, GP formula. Okay. So move to the next sum. These are the two sum, which is basically very easy sum, and you can solve it very fast. Then first try this, solve it, and I'm solve. Then solve with me. Okay. So first sum is this. First sum is this one. Factorization. Factorization. Uh, To factorize completed. That means this there are two terms, and we have to take common. We have to take common the common term. So what is the common term of this? Common term is 2g. Here common term is 2g. Taking common. So if we take 2g common, then factor means multiplication. So what we have to multiply with 2g to get 8g? Obviously multiply 4, because 4 to the 8, 8g, minus what we take common here, because 2g square, 2g is taken. So the next number is 4 minus g. Okay. So this is the general factorization. Clear? Now, without using calculator, work out 4 by 7 divided 8. So it is very simple. Dividing means we all know that multiply the reciprocal of the second number. So 1 by 7, division means multiply. Reciprocal of the second number, so 8. The second reciprocal of this is 1 by 8. Now 4 ones are, and it is 4 twos are. So that is 1 into 1, that is 1 into 1 is 1, and 7 into 2 is 14. So the answer is 1 by 14. Then the answer is 1 by 14. So these are very simple sum. Okay. Now we will go next. Okay. We will go next. Next sum is basically very easy. You have to solve the equation. This is solving equation. Okay. Solving equation, and we have to solve the equation. So we can solve this equation. So we know t is a variable, and 8, 4, these are constant numbers. So in this case, variable will come to the left side of equal sign, and number is come to the right side of the equal sign. So here I am taking 15t, and if minus t move to the that side, equal sign is there. Minus 2 move to the that side, this side, then it is minus 2 move to the that side, then it is 15t plus t. Okay. And here it is 4 plus 8 move to that side, minus 8. Okay. Because I told you that variable will go to the left side of equal sign, and number is go to the right side of the equal sign. So 15t plus t, that is 16t. 4 minus 8, that is minus 4. Now what is the value of t? The value of t is minus 4. Value of t is minus 4. That is divided, minus 4, that is divided by 16. Minus 4, that is divided by 16. Now 4 ones are 4, 4 fours are 16. So basically the value of t is what? The value of t is minus 1 by 4. The value of t is minus 1 by 4. Or you may write it this in the form of decimal also. So the answer is minus 1 by 4. Hope it is clear to you. Now we will solve next questions. Now we will solve next question. The next question is same. 2 means 25 minus 2u by 3. So I'm writing here 25 minus 2u divided by 3, and 2 we can write 2 equal 2 means 2 by 1. We can write 2 means 2 by 1. Now cross multiply. Now cross multiply. Cross multiplication means this term multiplied with this and this multiplied with this. Okay. So if any number or any expression multiplied by 1, we get the same term. So I'm writing here 25 minus 2u. Okay, because it is multiplied by 1, so same term will be there. And this side is 3 to the, this side is 3 into 2. 3 into 2. Okay. So this part is 25 minus 2u, 25 minus 2u, and this side is 3 to the 6. Now, I told earlier that in equal sign, left side is the variable. Variable means here variable is u. Okay. So minus 2u, and number come to this that side, right side. So 6 minus 25. So that is equal to, minus 2u, equal to minus 19. Now minus cancel out, minus cancel out. Okay, both side minus cancel out. So u equal to 19 by 2. U equal to 19 by 2. 19 by 2 means the value of u is 9.5. Or you may write it in the form of form of fraction, mixed fraction. Because it is improper fraction, so you can convert it in the form of mixed fraction. Done? Now we will go to the next questions. Hope you understand this. Okay. So if you like, you share my channel names with your friends, or who is interested in maths. Okay, because many content more than 300 or 400 videos is there. It will be, maybe the quality of video is not good. But quality not means, I means the uh, that means the decoration behind camera, the decoration or this thing is not good, but the content is qualityful. You can get good content from here, because I solve graph gate paper, I solve many IGCSE questions also. I solve here you can get Olympiad video also, shorts on very informative but only on mathematics. You can get economics for engineers video, all those. So here 0. 0.3 whole square, 0.3 whole square, that is simply 0.09. We all know 0.09. Okay. 0.09 standard form, 0.09 means 9 by 100. 9 by 100. Because for the point I consider 1, and after two numbers, so 20 is there. So we can write it 9 by it is 9 by 10 to the power. It is 9 by 10 to the power 2. 9 by 10 to the power 2. Or you may write it 9 into 10 to the power 9 into 10 to the power minus 2. 9 into 10 to the power minus 2, this value. So, or you may write it is as 9.0 into 10 to the power minus 2. 9.0 into 10 to the power minus 2 is the final answer. Okay. Now try for the next question. Just a minute, I do the calculation. Is it 9.0 into 10 to the power minus 2 or not? 0.3 whole square. This one. 0.3 whole square. Acha. Yes, 9 into 10 to the power minus 2. Acha, next question. I will go to the next question. Next question is solving simultaneous equation, and it's very important question also to solving simultaneous equation. Okay. So how do we solve simultaneous equation? So there are two variables. There are very basically two variable x and y, and we use elimination method to solve it. Elimination method means we have to eliminate any one of the variable. So this is the first equation, 3x minus 2. So to remove y, we multiply second equation with 2. So that is 2x. If we multiply with 2, 2x. If we multiply with 2, that is 2x plus 2y, and 3 multiplied with 2, that is 6. Okay, 6. This is the second equation. And first equation that is given 3x minus 2y equal to 19. Why we made it to remove the variable y. So the duty is, so the our duty, what we have to do here, here the coefficient of y is 2, here the coefficient of y is 1. So 2 and 1, if we do LCM, that is 2. So this is 2, so we have to make this equation, make y as a 2y. So multiply the whole equation by 2. Now if we add, then plus 2y minus 2y cancel out. Simply 2x plus 3x, that is 5x equal to 9 plus 16, that is 25. So only x equal to what? Only x equal to 25 by 5. 25 by 5. The value of x is what? Then the value of x is 5. Okay. Now we go for the value of y. So we can put this value of x in any one equation to get the y. So I prefer to put the value in the second equation. So x plus y equal to 3. Now I am putting the value 5 plus y equal to 3, 5 plus y equal to 3. So that is y equal to what? Y equal to 3 minus 5. Y equal to 3 minus 5. And 3 minus 5 means what? 3 minus 5 means the value is minus 2. So the value of x is 5 and value of y is minus 2. You can check this value to correct or incorrect. You put the value in any one equation, it will satisfy. If you will get the same result, then it will satisfy and it is the correct answer. Clear? Now go to the next sum. This is the problem. This is the sum of similarities, I think. So similarities sum. Okay. So first read out this the sum. The diagram is given. The diagram is given. You can clearly see there are two triangles. There are two triangles. Some lines are parallel. These lines and this line are parallel. It is given. This line and this line are parallel. No problem with it. Now, what we have to find out? We have to find out the length of BC, the length of BC, this line find out. So according to the similarity condition of the similarity, if two triangle are similar, then the sides of their ratio, then then they hold equal side of their ratios. Okay. So we can write, so from this we can write XC, this part XC from the large triangle equal to XB of the small triangle. Ratio are equal. This equal to this equal to this two value is given. So I choose this one. Small from AB from small triangle. So AB and this side CD from the large triangle CD. Now that is XC, and XB means that is 2.7, that is 2.7, and AB means what? AB means 3.0, and CD means 7.5, 7.5. Now we do cross multiplication. We do cross multiplication to solve this. We will do cross multiplication to solve this. Okay. For the sorry. This will be CD by this will be sorry. Just a minute. Sorry. First we choose greater circle. So sorry, greater triangle. So XC. So here we also choose the greater triangle first. So greater triangle this side CD, and the smaller triangle this side, smaller triangle this side is AB. This side is AB. Now I put the value. Now this is XC by this value is the value of XB, that is 2.7, and the value of CD that is 7.5, divided by value of AB. What is the value of AB? That is 3.0. Now cross multiply. Now cross multiply. If we do cross multiplication, so XC, the value of XC, that is equal to 7.5, that multiplied with 2.7, that multiplied with 2.7, and it is divided by 3.0, that is divided by 3.0. By using calculator, the value is, I use calculator to find out the value. The value is 6.75. X equal to 6.75. 6.75. Now in the questions they ask to find out BC. So BC means what? BC means BX plus XC. BX plus XC. So BX equal to 6.75 and XC means 2.7. 2.7. So the answer is 9 point. So the answer is 9.45. 9.45 centimeter is the answer. Okay. So whenever you find this type of problem, similarity problem, this formula you should have to use. From the similarity of the triangle, the ratio of the sides of the triangle is equal. We use this formula and solve this. Okay. Okay. Next. Next, the question number 11. Question number 11 and question number 12. Question number 11 and question number 12. Okay. Question number 11. We will solve question number 11 first. Question number 11. First, we have to find out the highest common factor of 12 and 16. So, first, find out the factors of 12. The factors of 12, we all know that's divided by 2. So, it is 6. Again, 12 divided by 2. So, it is 3. So, 12 equal to, we can write 2 into 2 into 2 to 3. Okay. And the same 16, same for the 16. Divided by 2. So, 8. Then it divided by 2. So it is 4. Then it is divided by 2. 2 2s are 4. So 16 equal to, we can write 2 multiplied 4 times. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Okay. So how many 2s are there? 4 2s are there. Here 4 2s are there. Okay. So I take common. So what is common between them? 2 is common between them. 2 is common between them first. And second, again, 2 is common between them. Okay. So 2 into 2. 2 into 2. And whenever they ask to find out LCM, we will choose the highest power of x. Okay. And if they ask to find out HCF, then we choose the lowest power of x. So lowest power is 12. Okay. For the LCM, we will do LCM of 12 and 16, and then highest power of x we will choose. But for the ACF, we will choose lowest power of x. So 2 to the 4, so to the 4, 2 to the 4, and this is x to the power to the 4, and this is x to the power 12 is the answer. Then, hope you understood. We will go for the next question. The next question is the regular in a regular polygon. In a regular polygon, in a regular polygon, the interior angle and the exterior angle is the ratio 11 is to 1. Find the number of the sides of the regular polygon. Find the number of the sides of the regular polygon. So interior angle is 11x and exterior angle is only x. Okay, clear? If we consider x because they are ratio, so we can convert them into the algebraic proportion. If 11 and 1 is the ratio, then interior angle is 11x and exterior angle is 1 into x, that means x. Now we know that sum of interior and exterior angle is 180 degrees. So 11x plus x, that is equal to 11x plus x, that is equal to 180 degree. Okay. Now 11x plus x, that is 12x. So that is 12x. So 12x equal to 180 degree. Okay. Now what is the value of x? The value of x, we can find out the value of x, that is 180 by 12. 180 degree by 12. Okay. Division. 180 degree by 12. 180 degree by 12 means the value of x is 15 degree. The value of x is 15 degree. Now they ask to find out the number of the sides of the polygon. So there is a formula number of the sides of the polygon, that is n equal to 360 degree. 360 degree divided by 360 degree divided by exterior angle. Exterior angle. Exterior angle. Okay. So according to this, that is 360 degree. That is 360 degree. Okay. And exterior angle is 15 degree. Exterior angle is 15 degree. So 360 degree by 15 degree. The value is 24. So the number of the number of the sides of the regular polygon is 24. Now you tell me what is the name of the regular polygon whose number of the sides is 24. Write down in the comment. What is the name of the polygon whose number of the sides is 24? Write down this in comment section. Okay. Okay, just a minute. It's showing my charge is low. Laptop charge is low. Just a minute. Now plugged in. Achha. Huh. To run this one. So hope you understand. If you understand, you like the video, you send this, you share this video or share this link with your friends who will benefit it from this. Okay. Chalo, next one. Uh, Achha. We will solve this one. Okay. Just erase it. Achha, this is a speed time graph. Hope you all know speed time graph, how it works. You all know that. Now, this is a speed time graph, and we have to find out, the we have to find out the distance, total distance traveled by it. Okay. Mm. So how do we find out the distance traveled by? So whenever they ask to find out the total distance traveled during the 10 seconds, that means we have to find out the area of the diagram. Okay. So it is cleanly visible that it is a compound shape. One side is rectangle and another one is triangle, or you maybe consider that as the trapezium. So we simply we find because I told you the total distance traveling. The total distance traveling means you have to find out the area of the diagram. So area of the diagram, that is equal to the area of the diagram, that is the area of the trapezium. So the formula is half into AB. A means sum of the parallel sides. So this parallel side is 8, this side is 8, okay, and this total side is 10, and per, this perpendicular distance is 10. So hop into a plus b, that is 8 plus 10. So according to the formula, I write down the formula of the area of the trapezium, half a plus b into h. This is the formula of the area of the trapezium, which you have to find out. Into h means 10. So 10 plus 8, 10 plus 8, that is 18, 18 by 2, 9, 9 into 10, 90. So how much distance they cover? They cover 90 meter. This kind of sum frequently comes in the Cambridge examinations. Okay. Whenever they ask the total distance travel, you always find out the area of the curve. Okay. Simple. Now go to the next question. This question is little bit tricky, and that time many students in the board exam, that time many students feel difficulty to solve this, and many students solve wrong actually. Okay, solve wrong actually. They find the I don't know how they what are they thought that time the exam time, but the result and the process is very ridiculous. Okay, but here you read the question first. Properly read the question. The diagram shows a sector of the circle with center O, radius 9. So one thing, the length of the chord PQ is 6. Okay, the calculate the length of the arc PQ. Okay, one thing we can understand from this: if this is radius, so this also will be radius. So this is also 9 centimeter. Okay, so what we have to find out to find the whatever sector length or whatever sector area, whatever we find out, have to find out theta. We have to find out what? We have to find out theta. Now you can saw OPQ is a triangle. This side 9, this side 9, this side 6 centimeters. So how do we find out theta? Obviously, we use the formula. We use the formula. The formula name is cos rule. We use the cos rule. Okay. So we all know cos theta. So we cos theta equal to a square plus b square. According to this, a square plus b square. A or b and the including sides. That means which make the angle. So that is 9 square plus 9 square, a square plus b square, minus c square, minus c square, minus c means opposite side, that is 6 square. Okay, that is 6 square, divided by 2 into ab. 2 into a means 9, and also b means 9. Okay, now whatever the result you get, whatever the result you get, you find the theta. Theta means theta equal to cos inverse of the result. Okay, so how do you find out theta? I'm writing theta equal to, if you not know, then I'm writing here theta equal to cos inverse of this, because cos theta equal to this, so theta equal to cos inverse of this, 9 square plus 9 square minus 6 square by 2 into 9 into 9, 2 into 9 into 9. By using this, you can find out theta. So the value of theta is 38.9 degree. 38.9 degree. Okay. 38.9 degree. Then now once you get theta, now you can easily find out the length of the arc PQ. What is the formula of the length of the arc PQ? That is equal. The length of the arc PQ. I change the ink. That is equal to theta by 360. Theta by 360 into 2 pi r. Theta by 360 into 2 pi r. Okay. 2 pi r. Now we put the values. Theta means 38.9. 38.9 divided by 360 into 2 pi. The value of pi you need to consider 3.142. According to the instruction, you go to the instruction and check what value you have to, up to what the value of pi we have to consider, and r, that is 9. Now multiply this and division this, and the result will be 6.11 centimeter is the result. Okay. You can use your calculator to find out the value. 38.9 by 360 into 2 into 3.142 into 9 divided by 360. The answer is 6.11. So calculate the length of the arc PQ. So the length of the arc PQ is 6.11 centimeter. Okay. Okay. We'll move to the next sum. These two sums are also very easy to solve. Very easy to solve. First sum is from the indices. Sum is from indices. First question, and the second question is from a direct and inverse proportion. Okay, so we will solve first one. First one is how do we solve? First one is 3125. So as 1 by 5, so 5 is the denominator. So 3125, आपको 3125 को ऐसे लिखना है some numbers to the power 5, some number to the power 5. You have to write 3125 by the sum number to the power 5. So we all know 3125 is 5 to the power 5. You can check 5 to the power 5 is 3125 into w to the power 3125 whole to the power 1 by 5. Now we use some indices rule that any multiplication have same power. Then if we write individually in the form of multiplication, then each expression use the same power. So according to this, we can write 5 to the power 5, 5 to the power 5 whole to the power 1 by 5 whole to the power 1 by 5 into W3215 3125 whole to the power 1 by 5 whole to the power 1 by 5. Now 5 to the power 5 is cancelled out. So 5 to the power 5 cancel out. So only 5 is there. And W mul and 1 sorry 5 multiply with 3125, that is 625. So the answer is, because 3125 is cancel out, 625. 3125 divided by 5, you can also get 625. So 5W 625 W to the power 625 is the answer. Okay. For the next question I will do first. That is, y is inversely proportional to. So y can write y is inversely, that is proportional. Inversely means always 1 by x square. Okay. Now we can't solve this way. We have to convert proportion sign to equal sign. So I'm putting equal sign. Whenever you put equal sign, put a variable also. I put k, that is k into 1 by x square. Clear? This is the basic technique. Okay. Now the value of x is 3 and value of y is 2 given. So value of y is 2 and value of x, that is into 1 by 3 square. 1 by 3 square. So 3 square, that means 9. 9 into 2, 18. So the value of k equal to 18. Hope you get it. Value of k equal to 18. Now we have to find out y when the value of x is given. So y equal to k by x square, k into 1 by x square. We just form this. So the value of k is 18. So I'm writing 18 into 1 by 2 square. 1 by 2 square. X means 2 to 2 square. 2 square means what? 4. So 18 into 1 by 4. Now it's cancel out. 2 to the 4. 2 nines are 18. So 9 into 1, that is 9. 9 by 2. 9 by 2 means the answer is 4.5. Or you may convert it in the mixed fraction because it is improper fraction. Okay. So you can convert it to the mixed fraction also. Clear? So it's very simple. Ah, hmm. We have to solve one more question. Okay. Okay, children, we will go for the next. Hmm. I thought I maybe solve this paper by two parts. Uh, Maybe this will fruitful for you, na? Maybe this will fruitful for you if I solve this by two part. Or what do you think? On one video, on one video, tell me your view. Do we uh, do we solve this two part or in one part? Or in one part. That means if we solve in two part, then might be the time our time duration is low. And if we solve this in a full part, then there is a huge video and time hour is so long. So I think today up to this, up today after this, stay tuned with my channel. This question is up to, according to me, this question is up to 25 question. Now I have to solve more 9 questions. I have to solve, and on next video I will solve 9 question. Okay. So give your feedback according to the questions. How how you understand this, you understand it properly, or if you have any doubt, you can contact me through my Gmail ID, or you can write your feedback. If you are not understanding anything, you can write this in my comment box, then I will explain it again. Okay. And please subscribe my channel, because I really work hard to solve these questions for you. So subscribe my channel, and I told you the subscribing channel is always motivated me as a teacher. I always get motivated. So please subscribe, and 9 question is remaining. On the next video, I will solve 9 questions. So stay tuned, like, share, subscribe, and share my channel with your friends, your colleagues who will get benefited from this. Thank you. Bye.